Week 6, day 1, and day 2. Nothing has happened. But here we are on day 3. So let's take a look at this.
You're watching On the Mark with Mark.
This is my first time seeing it too as I come around the corner. There it is, a countertop. This is the first I've seen it. Very nice looking. Look at that, boy, nice and slick. Smooth rounded edge there. A little bit of support. Boy, I thought there was gonna be something across the front of that. Anyway, boy, this room is looking pretty finished. We need some crown mold up there. And tomorrow, the washer and dryer are showing up. They'll be delivered. And we need to have this trim put on the window over here. So that should go pretty easy. Week 6, day 4, the washer and dryer have arrived. So this is where we are from this week. The countertop got installed and the washer and dryer have been delivered. But I've been working on other things here too, so let's take a look at that. During week 6, day 5, I finished the frame for the mirror. I made a French cleat to hang the mirror on the wall, and I've added this light fixture by running a wire from this light here up in the attic down the wall and over here. So now we have a lot more light in here and a pretty nice mirror that is practically full length here. So that was what happened on day 5. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll continue on with week 7, where we should be buttoning this project up this week. Thank you.
Good.